Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the device ready. Charge to at least 50% and sync updates via Garmin Connect. Next, enable GPS and pick GPS plus GLONASS or GPS plus Galileo. This increases satellite coverage and fixed speed. Once done, pick an activity profile like run or hike and set GPS mode to best for accuracy. You're starting with the essentials because a fast, stable satellite lock saves battery and avoids bad tracks. Now wait for the satellite icons to solidify before moving on. You should move outside to a clear sky view and hold still for 30 to 90 seconds so the watch can get a reliable fix. Satellites need line of sight. Then configure recording. Choose ones for precise tracks or tens to extend battery life, and enable GLONASS or Galileo if you need faster fixes in challenging terrain. Make sure maps are installed and calibrate the compass and altimeter in sensors. These improve navigation and elevation accuracy when you follow routes or use breadcrumb trails. You press start and begin your activity. Use waypoints or backtrack if you need to return, and follow courses for guided routes. Throughout, glance at satellite and accuracy fields so you know if the fix is stable. When you finish, save the activity and sync with Garmin Connect so maps, firmware, and metrics stay current. If GPS won't lock, reboot the watch, toggle GPS mode to a different constellation, or clear satellite data to force a complete rewire. This usually resolves stubborn lock issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.